Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the world of graphic design without feeling like you're decoding hieroglyphics? Yeah? Great! Because today I'm going to walk you through Canva, a super user-friendly design tool that is perfect for beginners. First things first, let's talk about what Canva is. Imagine a tool that lets you create stunning designs for your blog, presentations, or even social media, all without needing a degree in design. That's Canva for you. Now let's jump right in. When you first open Canva, you're greeted with an array of design types to choose from. Need a quick Instagram post? Check. A professional-looking presentation? Double check. Once you select your project type, you'll enter the Canva editor. Here's where the magic happens. On the left, you'll find all the ingredients you need, from templates that give you a head start, to elements like shapes, icons, and photos you can add with just a drag and drop. Now, let's talk about templates. These are complete designs, pre-made by professionals. All you have to do is tweak them a bit. Change the text, swap out images, adjust colors, and bam, you've got yourself a custom design. But here's a pro tip. Don't just stick to what you see. Play around with the features. Mix and match backgrounds, try out different fonts, and experiment with the transparency of images to add that extra flair to your designs. Remember, every great designer started by playing around. And if you're thinking, what if I mess up? Don't worry, Canva auto-saves your work, and you can undo any changes with a simple click. So feel free to explore without any stress. Lastly, once you're proud of your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Canva makes it super easy to download your design in various formats or share it directly to social media platforms. So there you have it, your quick guide to getting started with Canva in 2024. Remember, the key to becoming a pro designer is just getting started. Open Canva, play around, and let your creativity flow. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your digital creations come to life. Catch you in the next video.